what do you see?
Blue and red and yellow, who will you be?
Use your imagination. Come take a ride inside the color wheel.
Blue and red and yellow, which one will it be?
What about black and white? Tell me, what do you see?
Blue and red and yellow, who will you be?
Use your imagination. Come take a ride inside the color wheel.
Come take a ride, come take a ride inside, come take a ride
Inside the color wheel.
This world is small, but full of things that we will never know. Answers to questions we try to find, the reason that we live and why we die. But I know I've seen simple mystery. So come on, babe, let's not waste a moment or another day with answers to questions. Let's live our lives, finding a meaning of a different kind. I know what I've seen in you and me. And all the wonders of this world I found, they mean nothing without you. And all the answers that may come from my mouth, they mean nothing without you. Without you. Imagine that, the dimples in your cheeks when I make you laugh. I know what I've seen when you smile at me. I know what I've seen. Simple mystery. And all the wonders of this world I found, they mean nothing without you. All the answers that may come from my mouth, they mean nothing without you. Without you. His careless slurs like a lonely winter. I'm empty with you, but somehow you hold me together. And I know, you know, without you I'd splinter. 'Cause this ain't forever, but we'll stay together. Our souls are tethered, and our bodies will never be enough to sever. The pain in a lover, the flame we discover in burning heart. My damaged eyes are as true as scripture. A tooth for a tooth, a hand for a hand. When I opened up, you promised redemption, but we just traded broken hearts instead. And I know, you know, without you I'd splinter. 'Cause this ain't forever, but we'll stay together. Our souls are tethered, and our bodies will never be enough to sever. The pain in a lover, the flame we discover in burning hearts.
Been broken, beaten down, tasted dirt as I hit the ground. You can live through it all. How far you gonna go before you know what you should have known all along? The best I can fall into your waiting on, waiting on. I'm headed straight into your waiting on. I'm headed straight into your waiting on. You live like a drop of rain, love like a hurricane. Now you're home in the place you should be. Don't let me go again. Can't wait until I spend every day making lifelong memories inside your